Google News is a news aggregator service operated by Google that collects headlines from news sources worldwide and organizes them into categories for users to browse and read. It uses algorithms to prioritize and rank news stories based on factors such as relevance, timeliness, and user engagement. The service aims to provide users with a comprehensive and up-to-date view of the world's news. Google News is a popular news aggregator that allows publishers to submit their content to be displayed in Google's search results and news feeds. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you earn money from Google News in 2024. 1. Meet Google News content guidelines. To be eligible to earn money from Google News, your website must meet Google's content guidelines, which include having original and high-quality content, avoiding duplicate or low-quality content, and providing accurate and up-to-date information. 2. Register your website with Google News. To submit your website to Google News, you'll need to create a Google Search Console account and verify your website's ownership. Once your website is verified, you can submit it to Google News through the Google News Publisher Center. 3. Optimize your website for Google News. To increase the likelihood of your website being accepted into Google News and earning money, optimize your website for Google News by using structured data markup, providing clear and concise headlines and descriptions, and ensuring that your website is mobile-friendly. 4. Enable Google AdSense. To earn money from Google News, you'll need to enable Google AdSense on your website. AdSense is a program that allows publishers to display ads on their websites and earn money based on the number of clicks and impressions. 5. Monitor your earnings. Use the Google AdSense dashboard to monitor your earnings from Google News. You can see which articles are generating the most revenue, which ad formats are performing best, and which countries are generating the most traffic. 6. Stay up to date with Google News updates. Google is constantly updating its news aggregator with new features and capabilities. Stay up to date with these updates by following Google's news blog and attending webinars or conferences on Google News strategy. 7. Focus on providing high-quality content. While earning money from Google News is a great opportunity for publishers, it's essential to remember that providing high-quality content should always be your top priority. Focus on creating original, informative, and engaging content that will keep your readers coming back for more.